crunch is a great abdominal exercise that can be done with no equipment pretty much anywhere. To perform the crunch, you lay flat on your back with your legs bent at a 90-degree angle, arms crossed over your chest, and you contract the abdominal muscles to bring your shoulder blades off the ground while you breathe out, and then inhale as you bring your shoulder blades back down to the ground slowly. I'm going to demonstrate just a couple of reps for you here and show you how it's done. And there you go, guys. That is the basic crunch. Like I said, can be done pretty much anywhere with no equipment. Remember to like, subscribe, stay active, and have fun, guys.